Up first this evening, the country is facing a dengue crisis, and the authorities are racing against time to destroy the Aedes aegypti mosquito, which transmits the virus. But keeping the mosquito population down through fogging is getting a lot harder because the insects are starting to develop resistance to the chemicals used to kill them. That's according to new research. TVJ's Anthony Lugg spoke with the researcher and now reports.
Vector control activities in full swing island-wide, all in an effort to rid the country of the Aedes aegypti mosquitoes which transmit the dengue virus. Fogging is a major part of the exercise, and in some communities it occurs twice a day, yet still residents question its effectiveness. But here's what a study conducted by Dr. Sheena Francis, who's a research fellow at the Natural Products Institute at the University of the West Indies, Mona, revealed about the chemicals used in the fight against the mosquitoes.
What I found is that the mosquitoes from St. Andrew have become resistant to permethrin, which is a household insecticide. It's used commonly. It's in coils, sprays, household sprays, etc., and are developing resistance to malathion. And malathion is a chemical that is used throughout the Caribbean in its vector control program.
Dr. Francis explained that while the mosquitoes are developing resistance to the insecticide, it will still kill them, but it's taking longer.
Mosquitoes, once exposed to malathion over a 30 minutes period, they should experience at least 100% death, 98 to 100% death. Now we're seeing 90% death at the 30 minutes marker. However, at 45 minutes, we're seeing total knockdown, total death at 45 minutes. So it's 50 minutes longer.
So, with the news that the mosquitoes are putting up a resistance, should Jamaicans be concerned?
At this stage, no. I think the ministry is ahead of the game in that they realize the problem based on research, the evidence of research, and Minister Tufton actually formed a collaborative unit between the MOH and UA researchers. It's called the Mosquito Control Research Unit, and there are several researchers who have done work on mosquitoes coming together to inform the MOH on best practices and strategies.
In the meantime, Dr. Francis says more tests are expected in the coming weeks to determine the scope of insecticide resistance while they develop new ways to rid the country of the mosquitoes. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.